read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Here is number 18, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to count, identify and write the number 18. But before visualizing the flashcard of number 18, we will develop the sense of counting. So, say to the students, stand up all of you, count with me. You will draw 18 stars, okay? Make pair of 6. You will make 3 pairs of 6. They will count with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 stars. 18 stars. Now, collect the money from the students. Take 10 rupee note and 8 coins. Display them on the table and count with the students. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 18 rupees. Yes, you are right. Okay, after that, tell them how to write it. Visualize different cars also. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. There are 2 ways of writing 8, like start from the dot, make a cap, come slant down, go back and stop. It will make number 8. 10 and 8, 18. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make 8. So, both are very easier. You could use in the class. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot and you will teach with happy face individually to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.